In a major development, residents of Health Minister Phunzathang and 3 other MLAs in Churachampur burned down by unknown miscreants. Manipur Legislative Assembly passes 3 bills, including the Protection of Manipur People Bill 2015, to safeguard the indigenous people of the state. Assembly discusses Naga Peace Accord, resolves to urge Centre not to impinge on the territorial integrity, administration of Manipur and to cause amendment of Article 3 of Indian Constitution. And 12-hour Bandh called by tribal organizations in hill districts affects normal life, while in Valley, ILPS demonstrations continue. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I am Tenshubam Sangeeta with the top stories and all the news we are tracking at this hour. In a major development, Health Minister Phunzathang's residence at Churachandpur was burned down by unknown miscreants today. The unknown miscreants are suspected to be supporters of the Bandh called by tribal student organizations. House of another 3 MLAs were also burned in the hill districts of Churachandpur soon after the Manipur Legislative Assembly passed 3 bills to save indigenous people. Thanlon MLA Wungzagin Walte's house was also burned at Churachandpur. Henglep MLA T. Manga house at Churachandpur was burned. It is also learned that unknown miscreants also burned the house of Singhat MLA Jin Swa Hao. It may be mentioned that Zaumi Student Federation Churachandpur had called 18-hour Bandh in Churachandpur from midnight. Meanwhile, the 12-hour Bandh called by All Tribal Students Union Manipur, All Naga Students Association Manipur and Kuki Students Organization in all the hill district of Manipur disrupted normal life today. The Bandh began at 6 a.m. and ended at 6 p.m. in the evening. The tribal student bodies imposed the Bandh in protest against the 3 bills, stating that it directly or indirectly affects the tribal interests. In Tamenglong, no vehicles were plying on the road. All vehicular movement along Imphal-Dimapur Road in Senapati and Sadar Hills were paralyzed during the Bandh. In Ukhrul district, all shops were closed with no vehicles plying on the road. In Chandel district, the Bandh disrupted normal daily life. Bandh supporters burned tires at Kangpopi, Saparmaina, Modbung and Gamgiphai. In More, shops were closed and no vehicles were plying on the road. Special session of the Manipur Legislative Assembly today passed 3 bills. Protection of Manipur People Bill 2015, the Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reform 7th Amendment Bill 2015 and the Manipur Shops and Establishment 2nd Amendment Bill 2015. Chief Minister Okram Ibovi Singh moved Protection of Manipur People Bill 2015 to be passed by the House. Revenue Minister T.H. Devendra Singh moved the Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reform 7th Amendment Bill 2015. Labour and Employment Minister I. Hemachandra moved the Manipur Shops and Establishments 2nd Amendment Bill 2015 to be passed. The 3 bills were passed by the Speaker without any discussion during the special session of the House, which lasted 1 hour and 18 minutes. The Assembly also held discussion on the Naga Peace Accord signed between the Centre and NSC and IM. Chief Minister Okram Ibovi Singh moved the resolution that the House welcomes the initiative of the Union Government of India. The House, however, resolved to urge the Union Government to ensure that peace accord and any subsequent agreement do not affect the territorial integrity and administration of the state of Manipur. The House also resolved to urge the Centre to ensure that all stakeholders are brought into confidence and that no fresh discords should be brought while attempting to settle existing discords. The House also resolved to urge the Centre to cause to amend Article 3 of the Indian Constitution by incorporating that prior consent of the state legislator of the affected state or states shall be mandatory while forming new states and alteration of areas, boundaries or names of existing states. During the discussion, MLA Ibomcha, welcoming the peace accord, said the accord should be confined only in the state of Nagaland. He said if the Prime Minister invites Manipur government for discussion and deliberation for the August 3rd Naga Accord, Chief Minister should decline the invite. However, the state government should consider and take part in talks only when a fresh accord is signed after the withdrawal of the 3rd August Naga Peace Accord. Terming the Naga Peace Accord as a historic one, MLA Samuel Risom said it would be premature to take any resolution on the accord without knowing the contents of the framework. Other MLAs unanimously agreed that keeping the content of the framework secret is unfortunate. All Manipur Women's Social Reformation and Development Samaj in a press note said the Naga Peace Accord should not affect the territorial integrity of the state. Following the passing of the 3 bills in the Assembly today, the fast unto death protest staged in front of Ananda Singh Higher Secondary Academy concluded today. As soon as the news of the 3 bills pass spread, local residents of Nomaibung called Jennings Ambulance to admit the 9 fasting students. The fasting students were carried in the ambulance. The local residents of Nomaibung and surrounding areas, including students, followed the ambulance till Jennings. Slogans demanding enacting the bill as an act and punishment to the accused policemen involved in the killing of late Sapam Robin Hood were raised by the demonstrators. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam President Moiranthem Angamba expressed that the bill which will pass in the Manipur Assembly today to save the indigenous people of Manipur should be implemented as an act by the Government of India. Speaking to media persons at his office at Kaisampat, Angamba said the centre should not take the bill lightly and the state government should also press the centre to implement the bill into an act.
ILP bill se pass or matungda ek oina sanadri phawba ekoi Manipur meyamna hanba leitana ekoi tongan ba khongthang sing changchalakpa khongjang changchalakpa matamda ekoi sem sana ba matam pumda laiminasi yelongmi kanabagi ihogda laikhidraba ekoi gi mahiroi Ananda Singh Higher Secondary Academy mahiroi Sapam Robin Hood ta te samna mapung bhawa ikai khumnaba utpagaloina mahiroi sigi mathong mangam pangthok tribana maram oirakanda ekoi makhatana ekoi chara henbagi thabak asi ngasi su makhatana sathaki gani.
Meanwhile, in the valley, protest demonstrations continued at various locations. Large number of women and men of Khurai, Wanghai and Khetrigao Assembly constituencies stayed sit-in at Lamlong Bazaar under the aegis of coordinating body of ILPS Khurai. Maira Paibi from Kangla Sangomsang also joined the sit-in at Lamlong Bazaar. JAC against the killing of Sapam Robin Hood also stayed sit-in at Lamlong Bridge, Lariyangmbam Lekai and later formed Human Chain. Locals of Pureromba Lekai and women vendors of Pureromba Kaithel staged sit-in at Konung Mamang. Sit-ins were also staged at Wanghai Angom Lekai, Konung Lekai, Wanghai Kaithel Asangmi Community Hall, Wanghai Puja Lampak, Wanghai Mahubam Lampak, Wanghai Thangjam Lekai and Wanghai Topam Lekai. Kongba Ola Club, Kongba Kaithel, Kongba Khetri Mayai Lekai Nupi Chakot Thaurang Lup and Kongba YGC Club also staged sit-in today. Naharo Lamjing Maira and Apunba Panthoi Bilup organized sit-in at Kongba Khetri Lekai, Nompok Ningtho Panthoi Pi Sanglen. Sit-ins were also organized by Kongba Apunba Nupelup and Kongba Maning Nandebam Lekai Maira Paibi, Oriental Club and Mangjil Maira Paibi, Brahmapur Social Club, Brahmapur Nahabam Apunba Maira Paibi. Sit-in was also staged by Bamo Lekai Thangjam Lerek Women Welfare Association at Sangaipa demanding inner line permit system. Basikhong, Panthoi Bir Club and Apunba Basikhong Khamera Paibi also held a sit-in and a public meeting at Basikhong Panthoi Bir Community Hall. The meeting resolved to restrict non-Manipuris from entering and not involving them in any labor in the area under the club. Sit-in demanding inner line permit system in the state were held today at Kawa Lamdaibung Machin, Kawa Market Shed, Kawa Asim Lekai Community Hall, Singjamai Mayingbam Lekai and Singjamai Okram Chuthek. Sit-ins were also held at Singjamai Leksangtham Lekai, Singjamai Parking, Singjamai Market and Singjamai Chirom Lekai. Maira Paibis and local residents also held sit-in and demonstration at Singjamai Chingamatha College Road, Singjamai Thokjom Lekai, Yumnam Lekai, Moirangkhom Loklaubu, Moirangkhom Kabuikul, Yaiskul Chingam Kham Lerak, Kaisamthong Kabuikul and Kaisamthong Laisom Lerak. Sit-in was also held at Kaisamthong Bazaar organized by Kaisamthong Kendra Apunbalup demanding inner line permit system. The protesters held various placards demanding state government to pass bill among others. While Central Youth Club and Kaisampat Kaisamleka Mairapai State sit-in at Kaisampat Lairambi Community Hall, the protesters raised slogans demanding inner line permit system in the state. Women folk state sit-in at Singjamai Chingamakha Lairambi Community Hall and Harangoithong Bazaar, Hauba Marak Kaisamleka Mairapai Association, Hauba Marak Social Union Club and Mairapai Lup, Hauba Marak Kangjom Lekai Mairapai Lup, Pisum Dong Thong Bam Lerak Mairapai, Pisum Thong Mairapai, Pisum Ningom Lerak Yaifalam Chinglup, Khayampali Huidrom Lekai Mairapai, Kaisamthong Nambon Mapal Women Welfare Association, Kaisamthong Ahanthim Lekai Mairapai, Kaisamthong Elambam Lekai Lerak Macha Nupi Mairalup, Kaisamthong Moirang Ningtho Lerak and Laisom Lerak Mairapai also stay sit-in at their respective locality. On the other hand, Singjamai Chingamakha Khetri Laikai Nambul Mapal Mairapai Bilup also stay sit-in today. Women of temporary markets shed cease work and stay sit-in today. Sit-in was also held at Imphal Shopping Complex Family Welfare Line, BT Road, DM College Gate, Nagampan Singjubung Lerak, Nagampan Laimem Lerak. Shopkeepers of Pauna Bazaar also stay sit-in at Usha Cinema, Pauna Bazaar. Members of Pakhamba Cultural Club, Kwakathil, Mayai Koi Maira Pai Nupilup, Kwakathil Mamang Lekai Nupilup, Kwakathil Ningthojum Lekai Nupi Iholup, Sayang Konthojum Lekai Maira Pai, Kwakathil Thiam Lekai Chakul Kongtang Nupilup, Kwakathil Nupi Potpam Apunbalup, Kwakathil Bazaar Boat, Yumbu Rembi Mama Nupilup, Segaro Takilambam Lekai Youth Club, Segaro Thauda Babuk Lekai Apunbanupilup, Hodam Lerak Yumjao Lairemi Maira Pai Bilup, Kaisampat Thiam Lekai, Kaisampat Top Lerak and Moirang Ningtho also stay sit-in. Protesters also demanded to convert the bill passed by the Assembly into an act soon. Sagolban Moirang Lerak Maning Mairapai Bi, Nepra Menjor Mamang Lekai Mairapai Bilup, Sagolban Bijoy Govinda Voluntary Nupi Organization, Tera Sayang Lambi Mairalup, United Progressive Development Organization, Tera Kaithil Mairapai Bi, Youth Development Organization, Women Welfare Association, Yingkhom Lerak Development Club, Sagolban Khamnam Lerak and Soyam Lerak Mairapai Bilup, Sagolban Moirang Hanuba Youth Development Club, Kanglepak Chakotlup and Mairapai Bi, Takil Kolom Lekai, Western Star Club, Women Welfare Association, Langjing Achomba Mairapai Bi and Club Apunba today stay sit-in. Meanwhile, Iroisemba Apunba Mairapai Bi, Iroisemba Youth Development Club, Iroisemba Moirang Thong Apunba Nupilup, Takil Kongbal Kumanthem Lekai Mairapai Bi, Tera Lokrapam Lekai, Nambol Mapal Apunba Mairapai Bi, Naurem Thong Bazaar, Uripok Kumanthem Lekai Mairapai Bi, Uripok Achom Lekai Mairapai Bi, Masum, Uripok Achom Lekai, Uripok Polem Lekai Youth Library and Club, Women Development Action Committee, Uripok Yambem Lekai, Uripok Ningthodam Lekai, Uripok Ahanthem Lekai, Uripok Nganu Lema Women Welfare Association, Women Vendors of Uripok Kombire Kaithel, Uripok Bachaspati and Uripok Sinam Lekai Mairapai Bi, Uripok Mayai Lekai Apun Bayafa Tharau Nupilup, Uripok Sorbon Thingel Mairapai Bi, Women Welfare Association, Uripok Khoisnam Lekai, Uripok Takil Kolom Lekai Mairapai Bi, Uripok Lai Kurembi and Panchai Maning Women Development Organization, Uripok Taurambam Lekai Mairapai Bi also organized sit-in. Changangai Uchekon Chakotharang Nupilup and Uchekon Youth Voluntary Organizations also held sit-in demanding inner line permit system in the state. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam volunteers and Mairapai Bis of Kaisamthong Ahibam Lerak today held sit-in in front of Desam office in Kaisampat. As soon as the 3 bills were passed in the House, the protesters demanded the 3 bills to be made into an act. A team of Manipur police pulled up 10 fasting volunteers of Desam this afternoon. The Desam volunteers were fasting for the 5th phase in front of Desam office in Kaisampat. Desam members and Mairapai of the locality raised slogans demanding inner line permit system. Mention may be made that the 10 volunteers are fasting from 29th of this month. Differently able persons of the state took out a hand puller rickshaw rally demanding inner line permit system. 8 differently abled persons took out the rally holding placards. The rally started from Ipatokok in Narimthung and went till the residence of late Sapam Robin Hood. Differently abled persons paid tribute to the late student and met the family members. Residents of Yanglam, Babgai and Kairak states sit-in at Babgai Lamkhai demanding conversion of the bill passed by Manipur Assembly into an act. The protesters also formed human chain and raised slogans. Sesu Club Kakching, in association with Assam, today held a sit-in and public meeting at Kakching Jingtam Apunbalu, YDO Palel and GCRPS Palel Wing also stay sit-in at Palel Bazaar. Students of LCM High School took out a rally at Moirang Lamkhai today demanding conversion of the 3 bills passed in the Assembly into an act. Women of Moirang Assembly constituency held sit-in and public meeting at Moirang Konjimbam Lekai. It's time for a short commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Normalcy is slowly returning in the border town of Moreh after the August 18 violence, although local residents are fearing of another such incident. We bring you a special report. Even though normalcy has returned in border town of Moreh after the August 18 violence, local residents are still living under fear. The violence erupted during a rally demanding inner line permit system. After the unfortunate incident, many organizations have been helping the violence-hit people of Moreh. Moreh Incident Relief Committee in presence of former Thonju constituency MLA Bijoy Koijam donated 2.5 lakh rupees in cash to Moreh Relief Committee convener L. Inaucha at Ima Kondong Lairambi, Haraubung. On the other hand, Mapi Council donated 65 bags of rice, 12 packets of salt, 3 bags of sugar, 4 bags of pulses among other items. Machalaima, Slopeland Public School, Lamyan Bapakhang and other organizations have also donated food items. Former Thongju Assembly constituency MLA Bijoy Kojam spoke to Impact News regarding the handover of food items.
ILP haibasi Manipur leiriba khundariba yelungwi singi khwaidagi kanaba aduga tangai phadana tawdaba yadaba akhoi apamba thaba man haibsi akhoi thabjadingi matam chupada khana chainaba do yakhai thigaiba thokpa targadi aina thajai madudi hairiba akhoi gi locus policy ase atopa khoi state amada shanti leiba state amada hongkhiba yaba gi phibam lei aduna akhoi panamaksi हानगी थोखिबा हौजिक थोखिबे सिंग असि मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग अमसुंग भाव तानादबदगी थोखिबनेना खलकांदा मदुगी मुहुत्ता मोरे असि भारत की ख्वाइदगी नोकपोक्ता लेबा ख्वाइदगी फजबा लम ओइबा अदुगा हेना सखोप लेबा अमा ओइनना होनबदा खै पुन्ना खै सेंगबन मथौ ताय
Meitei Council Moreh expressed gratitude to Relief Committee for helping the Moreh residents. Meitei Council Moreh said all the communities living in Moreh need to live together.
Sigumba phiyom sidaida akhoi Manipur ki Kachin Koya dagi mayamna mateng pangbirak phase hainingai leitena nungaiba phawe akhoi yellow mi mayam singse masi akhoi nungsinana leita taragadi Manipur da khoina kari haitar pamdaba thodong mayam thokani aduna khoina leiriba yellow mi mayam singse nungsinana akhoi leimina ningbagi apamba akhoi mureda leiriba akhoi Meitei gi praja singna akhoi khalle.
Uneasy calm still prevails in Moreh town and surrounding areas after the August 18 violence. Mapi Council advisor C.S. Joy Kumar Sharma said the state government should take up work in order to build confidence measures among the residents of Moreh and surrounding areas.
Moreh amasung masigi akoibada leriba dukansing yunggi leriba phiyomsing sadharan pinsida tangdu leta daba mayam ama akoin uba thengnai hoji aduna nomagi sara taliba mayam singda masina tangdu leta daba mayam singda makhoigi asengma phire ama sarkarna sibauda akoina lokholani habagi phangdibaudi haiba dukan amasung yung kai mayam ase sungai soidana adum thingmagi keno ma legini aduna hiramasida mari lenaba authority singmusum Manipur government gi खुदकता तौदबा यादबा थबकसिंग असे लखल हनिंगबगी तंजासी अखोय मरुओय.
Meanwhile, security has been beefed up in Moreh town after the violence. The locals of Moreh are praying to Almighty not to repeat such incident in future. With Saikom Ruben at Moreh town, then Shivam Sangita, Impact News. With that, it's a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News Bulletin. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. In a major development, residents of Health Minister Phunzathang and 3 MLAs in Churachandpur burned by unknown miscreants. Manipur Legislative Assembly passes 3 bills, including the Protection of Manipur People Bill 2015 to safeguard the indigenous people of the state. Assembly discusses Naga Peace Accord, resolves to urge Centre not to impinge on the territorial integrity, administration of Manipur and to cause amendment of Article 3 of Indian Constitution. And 12-hour ban called by tribal organizations in hill districts affects normal life, while in Delhi, ILPS demonstrations continue.